This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. It was a big surprise today economically for those watching the housing market. The Commerce Department estimated that the sale of new homes increased 2.8% in July, totally unexpected, to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 870,000 units as the inventory of homes for sale dropped for a fourth straight month. Great news for the housing sector. Sales were stronger than the 820,000 that had been expected by analysts. Factories saw orders for big-ticket goods jumping 5.9% in July. That was a great news as well, largest in 10 months. Commerce Department again reporting that the sizable increase in new orders for durable goods followed a 1.9% increase the month before. So good news economically today in the U.S. In other news today, Ford CEO Alan Mulally became the latest high-profile business executive to suggest that the Federal Reserve needs to cut interest rates. Home Depot is close to accepting about a $1.2 billion less for the sale of its wholesale distribution business to 3 private equity firms. The deal is expected to close before the Thursday deadline of next week. Federal Appeals Court declared the way clear for the Whole Foods Market, Inc. to buy rival organic grocer Wild Oats Market, Inc. And Krispy Kreme Donuts said that it's realigning its franchise and company store operations, those changes mostly at the corporate structure at the main office in North Carolina. In earnings news today, Burger King Holdings posting a profit for the fourth quarter versus a loss in the year-ago period. H.J. Heinz reporting a fiscal first quarter earning up 6% from the year ago. And Ann Taylor Stores saying that its second quarter profit actually fell to $31.7 million or 50 cents a share, that from $43.2 million in the year-ago period. Some scheduled economic reports next week. It's going to be a bit busier next week than it was this week. Look for existing home sales out, consumer confidence from the Conference Board, gross domestic product, help wanted index, personal income and spending, the Chicago PMI, as well as the minutes from the last FOMC meeting. Earnings out next week, Daimler Chrysler, Winn-Dixie, Borders, Sanderson Farms, TiVo, Williams-Sonoma, Benihana, Del Monte, and Zale, just to name a few of the big marquee names out on the earnings calendar next week. Some of the stocks in the news today, Gap Inc. turned in a second quarter profit of 19%. Gap is GPS on the New York Stock Exchange. Steak and Shake, SNS is their stock symbol, appointing a committee of directors to develop its strategy to simplify initiatives, intensify focus on field of leadership, as well as review costs for that company. And Herbalife Limited, HLF, approving a $150 million increase to its stock buyback program to $450 million. And that's the latest on Market Wrap for another week. I'm Jack Lott. It's Friday. Have a great weekend on the James Dix Financial Network.